Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends and viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel DG Learner Points. In today's video we are going to learn how to download and install Python and Pycharm. Python is a very famous programming language and it ranks top as per the index of the TOP index. Let's look at this index. In September 2021 it ranks on second position. Now in September 2022 it ranks on first position. Now let's start how we are going to download it. Come back to the this new tab. So write it here python.org and press enter. As you press enter, uh, this website is open in front of you. So bring or take your cursor on the tab downloads. So as you keep your cursor on tab downloads, further information is visible to you. See, for Windows it is directly available here button from where you can download it, and for the other systems, macOS and other platforms, you can uh, select or pick up the option from here as per your required operating system and start downloading. But in my case my system has Windows, so I am going to download directly from here by clicking on Python 3.10.7 version. As I click on this, my uh, exe file of Python 3.10.7 version has downloaded. So I am going to double click on this to start the process of installation of Python. So look at this pop-up chart has different information, so you have to first click on this add Python 3.10 to path must. It is the essential. After that I am going to click customize installation. As I click, another page is open in front of you. Keep all these sections as it is, don't need to change anything, and click on next. So here you want to click or mark this install for users, and you want to change your destination or installation location from here, but I want to keep it as it is, so I'm going to click on start. It will take some time. Click on this yes, and installation has started. Setup was successful. After that I'm going to click on close. In next step we are going to check either Python is installed successfully or not. For this purpose I am going to open command prompt. Here I will write cmd. So here I will pick up the command prompt app by clicking on this large size. Here I will write Python and then I will enter. So you will get the Python version, Python 3.10 and some other information which shows that the Python has been installed successfully. If it is not installed successfully, then this message will not be appear. So to overcome this problem, you need to go to the Microsoft Store and you will write there Python. So you will pick up this Python 3.10 Python Software Foundation. See, here is the related information of command prompt. After download and install this software, you will be able to verify this installation of Python again by writing the same command Python by after opening command prompt, and you will get the same information. So this information proves that your Python has been installed successfully. In next step we are going to install PyCharm. For this purpose I am going back to my Google Chrome and I am going to write here in search bar PyCharm and click enter, and after that your first website is open in front of you is PyCharm. This is a product of JetBrains.com. is the best ID for Python. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and which is used as interpreter for decoding the programming of the Python language. So let's click on this one and open in a new tab. After opening in new tab, you will get the download button on the very top of right side. Click on download button. Another page is open in front of you. There you have two options. One is professional and the other is community. Professional is free for 30 days on trial basis, but community and download is fully free of cost. So we are going to download from community section. You see, its size is 377 MB and it takes some little bit time. When it's finished, we are going to start its installation. PyCharm has completed successfully here, so I am going to start install it by clicking on it. So click on yes. Now click on next. So it needs 1.4 GB space, and in my case my laptop has 32.2 GB extra space, so I am going to click on next. One thing more, you can also change your destination folder by clicking on browse here, but I want to keep as it is as set by default, so click on next. So in this window, pop-up window, I am going to check this option and check this option of remaining to keep it as it is and click on next. So JetBrains install. So if you want to see the details of all installed files, so you can check it here. It takes a little time. So when it will be finished, we will uh, check it uh, either it is installed or not. Installation has completed. Before clicking on page, you have to be marked this and PyCharm Community Edition and then go to finish this process by clicking on fish. As you finish this one, another pop-up window is open in front of you. So keep it as it is because we are going to download it first time, so no need to be configure it for earlier old version of Python. That's why I'm going to click on OK. So after that I am going to be click on this new project. As new I click on new project, you see here I am going to name this project any name that you can give. DG I'm interested to assign this name. After that you see new environment using this one, and one important thing that you want to be noticed here that PyCharm has already picked up this file from the desired location. If you want to change this one, click on three dot here, and you can pick up the folder where you have stored this uh, Python installation at the time of installation of Python. So this is the advantage that I am not going to change the default setting. After that I am going to make available to all projects. So I am going to unclick this one because I am just going to make a short program for this video only, and after that I am going to click on create. So my project has been opened to whom I have assigned the name NDG project. So look at this one at the very bottom of the right corner. Download p-bit shared indexes. You must download it. Always click on always. It has been finished. So I am going to open a new file by clicking my project folder name DG project. By clicking right new, then I will go to Python file. So I am going to select this one DG 01 and click enter, As I enter this one, see here dg01py file is open. I am going to create a small program for you here. Print parenthesis open single quote, welcome to my channel dg number point. After that, click press Ctrl S to save this. Either you will save it from going file menu and click from here save as save. After that, you want to run this program. There are three methods. From here you can run from this point, or you can run from here, or you can run from the file name by clicking right click on this one and run in dg. So run on dg. So you will see the program is program output is here. Welcome to my channel dg learner points. I hope you will find this useful. Thanks for watching us.